We check out Halloween decorations, park updates, and more coming up next. What is up, everyone? This is Damien, the Disney Hacker here, and today I'm giving you guys an update for the month of September here at the Disneyland Resort. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. You guys are already part of the D3 Hacker family. Welcome back to the ride. Let's get this party started. All right, everyone, we begin our adventure here at DCA for the month of September, folks. How are you guys doing out there, D3 Hackers? I hope you guys are having an amazing year. Man, it is Halloween time here at the Disneyland Resort. Man, I can't believe it's Halloween already. This year is just flying by. Wow. So, if you guys been following me in a while, I've started today, this month's episode here at DCA. A couple of things. Number one, San Francisco Square just opened up recently, so we're going to check that out. Number two, a couple of big updates over here for a couple of attractions like Radiator Springs Racers just opened back up. We'll check that over there. And of course, after that, folks, we're going to go back across the way to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland, for a regular monthly update over here. A couple of big updates going on over at the other side as well. With that being said, folks, at the time I'm recording this, it is Labor Day weekend. Wow. And you see the Headless Horseman right there, here at the center of Buena Vista Street right here. But yeah, it's Halloween time, folks. Keep let you guys know that DCA will be closing certain nights for the Oogie Boogie Bash this month. Not only this month, but also next month in October as well. So keep that in mind, folks, when you guys are coming to the Disney California Adventure. But with that being said, folks, it's hot, still hot here in September. It's going to be like that the rest of the month. And it's monsoon season here in Southern California. So keep that in mind, folks, too. With that being said, folks, let's go to our first update here at DCA, which is San Francisco Square. All right, everyone, our first update here at DCA, of course, here at the new San Francisco Square. How cool is that, folks? San Francisco Square is now open. Wow, opened back on August 31st here at DCA. It's fully open. This is, of course, the former home of Pacific Wharf. Wow, I love this bridge. This bridge looks amazing, folks. Look how crowded it is right over there. It is very busy right now over there in San Francisco Square. But what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to do a quick walkthrough if I can of San Francisco Square. If not, I'm gonna definitely do another full walkthrough and review of San Francisco Square really soon in one of my next upcoming videos. With that being said, folks, let's go try to do a quick walkthrough. All right, everyone, we are entering the backside, one of the second entrances to San Francisco Square here at DCA. You can see the Borden Bakery Tour Tower. Wow, this is nice, folks. Very, very cool. I love how they redid the tower, put the nice, cool Japanese lettering up there on it, and look at the Ghirardelli in front of us, folks. Same thing, new, nice Japanese characters up there. Very, very cool. You can see it's very crowded here. Wow. And they took down the old Pacific Wharf sign right there and put the San Francisco sign right there, unfortunately. But hey, still cool. I was hoping to keep the Pacific Wharf sign up there. But hey, as you can see, it's very, very busy over here walking through San Francisco Square. I love the murals they have right here, the nice posters they have right here. This Baymax reference right here, this graffiti right here. Great Instagram photo op right there, folks. Man. But you can see, folks, this is very, very busy. All the cool murals right there. You have the new sign for the Casas Cafe straight ahead. We covered the new wind turbine right there at Rita's Turbine Blenders, I should say. Very, very nice, man. Look at that. Again, folks, this is look at this right here. This is Lucky Fortune Cookery. Extremely busy. Extremely busy. Keep that in mind, folks. For the first couple of weeks, especially here in September, this area of the parks will be very, very busy. Have your patience in mind. And mobile order is a hot mess. Look at that. With that being said, folks, we're going to walk a little bit further up. You see the San Francisco Makers Market right there in front of us. Then you have the Baymax meet and greet right off to the right there, which is a very, very long line. Put that right there. But very, very cool area. It's going to be very, very busy over here. This part of DCA, or Harlem Bot Shop right there. That's for the meet and greet area for Baymax. And this line stretches all the way back towards, over towards Radiator Springs Racers over in Cars Land. With that being said, folks, let's go to our next update here at DCA, which is, as a matter of fact, will be over in Cars Land. All right, everyone, we continue our update here in Cars Land. As you can see in front of me, Radiator Springs Racers is now open. As you can see them racing over the hill right there. Yes, the refurbishment is complete. It looks beautiful. They touched up all the rock work and the track as well. Looks amazing. Radiator Springs Racers is now open again here at DCA. That's not the only thing that's going on over here at DCA, here in Cars Land, as we continue our walk over here. You know, it's Halloween season, and Cars Land transforms into Halloween. Trick-or-treating. Yes, we're going to take a nice quick walk through Route 66 here in Radiator Springs, Cars Land, and see some of the cool Halloween decorations up right now, which looks amazing, by the way. But that's what I love about over here in Cars Land, how they dress up the area. Halloween, Honkin' Halloween. That's what this is. You can see the Luigi's Tower right there, all the way all dressed up. And you have the Radiator Curio Shop right there, all decked out in Halloween. Very, very cool. We're going to walk past the Cozy Cone Motels. The cones are dressed up in their jack-o'-lantern. This is so cool at night, folks. I'm going to probably come back over here at night one time and give you guys a full nighttime view. You see Vader dressed up in his Dracula costume right there. And all the spooky lights right there. Kind of like the spooky spiders hanging up on the light post right there. Very, very cool. We're going to walk towards the entrance of Cars Land and get you guys to see what they changed the posters this year for Halloween, if they did. Right here, let's see. Next to the Association Hall. Or this is the same posters. Did they have the new posters, Halloween posters? Let's see, the same ones. Escape to Hitch Mountain. Let's see, Undead Batteries. Undead Batteries Jump Again. Hocus Pocus. An Attack of the Space Zombies from Planet B. That is very, very funny. Again, this is Cars Land here at DCA, all decked out for Halloween, of course, for the Oogie Boogie Bash. With that being said, folks, I think this concludes our update from over here at DCA. Let's head over towards Disneyland. All right, everyone, we are back here at the happiest place on earth, Disneyland. There goes Chip right there. And look at Mickey and Minnie right there in their costumes. Hey, guys. We are back over here at Disneyland for our update for the month of September. As you can see, the giant pumpkin is up right in front of us, straight ahead, as we're going to walk in the street. But yes, over here, folks, as you know, Halloween is in full effect. Halloween time is in full effect here at Disneyland. So come over here just in time for the afternoon showing of Magic Happens Parade. All the characters are out right now. But anyway, we'll give you guys an update of what's going on over here in the parks, over here at Disneyland. Of course, we'll give you guys an update over at New Orleans Square. And of course, over there, what's going on over pretty much in Tomorrowland. Some updates over there as well. But busy day here. Just as busy as it is over at DCA here at Disneyland for Halloween time. So just keep it in mind, folks. You guys are coming back over here to the parks this month in September. But With that being said, folks, you see all the cool decorations here on Main Street, USA. Nice and festive. Fall is in full effect. The Halloween season is full effect. Wow, just amazing. But with that being said, folks, let's begin with our first update here at Disneyland over in New Orleans Square. Let's go. All right, everyone, our first official update over here at Disneyland, of course, is here over in New Orleans Square at the Haunted Mansion Holiday, which is now open now through the first week of January 2024. Now, if you're not familiar with the Haunted Mansion Holiday, it's the Nightmare Before Christmas meets the current classic version of Haunted Mansion. Great, perfect mixture of both attractions. Very, very cool. I highly recommend that. You see the line is very crazy right now, but that's not the only exciting news right now, folks. And over here to the left, right here, over here at Magnolia Park, what is currently known as Magnolia Park, which is an overflow of Haunted Mansion. This is going to be converted into the actual extension of the Haunted Mansion queue right here. They just announced recently at Disney. How cool is that, folks? I cannot wait to see how this portion right here, the extension of the new queue, is going to look. But that's going to be completed sometime beginning in early 2024, and hopefully be done sometime early 2024, middle of next year. But again, that's the update here at Disneyland in New Orleans Square. The Haunted Mansion Holiday is now open, and a new expansion of the exterior of Haunted Mansion right here, which is part of currently the Magnolia Park. With that being said, folks, let's go to our next update. All right, everyone, we continue our update over here in Critter Country, right next to the exit of the Haunted Mansion right there, which is also be a part of a new extension going really soon in 2024. But right here, we're going to focus on here in Critter Country. We're going to focus on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Look at that. The mountain's pretty much turned into a hill now. Pretty much the top of the mountain's gone. And you can see the scalpelings up there and really working hard on this, right on the flume portion right there. Look at that, folks. Hard at work over there in Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We're going to try to walk on the other side and see if we see any more action like we did last time. You can see the Mark Twain right there going by. But what I think I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to get on the Mark Twain and give you guys another better view of the construction going on over here in Tiana's Bayou Adventure. But let's see if we see anything different near the entrance of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Hi everyone on Mark Twain. But okay, here we go. Yeah, you can see on the other side, look at that. More construction right over on this side. And we're gonna walk around the front here, over by Winnie the Pooh. And see if we see anything over there. Over the entrance, you can see something going on over the entrance right here. No, looks like nothing yet. Oh, you have Eeyore right there. No, nothing like over at Disney World where they have like the barns actually being painted over there at that one. But still nothing, no action over here on the main entrance side yet, as we can see right now. But anyway, that's your update of Tiana's Bayou Adventure here at Disneyland. But our next update, folks, we're going to try to get on the Mark Twain and give you guys a panoramic view of New Orleans Square. Hopefully get a sneak peek of Tiana's Palace over there. Let's see, because the finishing touches on Tiana's Palace was supposed to be opening this week. With that being said, folks, let's go to our next update over on the Mark Twain. All right, everyone, we continue our update here aboard the Mark Twain Riverboat here in New Orleans Square / Frontierland. You can see right in front of you, beyond the trees, the Adventureland Treehouse in the distance right there. We're going to talk about that in a second. And you can see how busy it is right here. In front of you, you have the Pirates of the Caribbean right there. And we're coming up really soon on, you'll be able to see be the construction of the Tiana's Palace coming up right here. Let's see if I give you guys a quick zoom in real quick. Right there, you can see beyond the trees right there, Tiana's Palace. Almost done, folks. It'll be done this week. It opens on September 7th. Exactly. To be exact, I should say. September 7th, Tiana's Palace opens here at Disneyland. So they're putting the finishing touches on the restaurant right there. You see through the trees right there. And look how amazing it looks. Got the smokestacks right there on the second level.
Rich in history, music,
very, very cool. Then we're coming back across here. You can see a better view of how the expansion of the grounds for the Haunted Mansion is going to look right over here into Magnolia Park, right in the distance right there. So, like I said before, I'm really excited about the expansion to the exterior of the Haunted Mansion coming in 2024. That being said, folks, I'll pick up on a second to show you guys another update of Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Alright, folks, we are coming up on the construction, more of the construction of Tiana's Bayou Adventure right here. You can see the chute right there. They have all the scaffolding board right there down.
It's not quite finished
right
yet,
there.
But we're almost
and you can see the chute right in front of you. Hard Eric right there. They'll come around the trees, and hopefully we have a better view of what's going on beyond the trees, behind those walls, over on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Alright, here we go. Right there, you can see it'll be behind the trees right there. Hopefully we'll have, you can see right there, it looks really cool right there. You see more of the work going on over there. Hopefully we'll have word, hopefully hear word up and put another water tower in pretty soon on this portion of the attraction. But with that being said, folks, this concludes your update of New Orleans Square / Tiana's Bayou Adventure. With that being said, folks, let's head over to our update over in Fantasyland. Let's go. All right, everyone. There was no major updates over in Fantasyland for the month of September. However, we are over here in Tomorrowland here at Disneyland. As you can see, you have the Finding Nemo submarine voyage in front of you, but on top of that, you have the famous monorail, which is now open again. After being down for the last month and a half for refurbishment, the monorail is now currently open, but that's not the only attraction we're going to talk about here in Tomorrowland for the month of September as we walk back towards Space Mountain. Now, as you can see here, Space Mountain will be closing beginning on September the 18th for refurbishment. So I can let you guys know exactly when the dates are in a second, but we're going to walk through Tomorrowland and see how busy it is as well. Quite busy. Wow, it's just busy, folks. It is Labor Day weekend, by the way, the time I'm recording this. But yes, very busy here today at the park, especially here in Tomorrowland of all lands. Wow. But anyway, we're coming up on Space Mountain right now. You guys, nice view of it. Coming up on it. The Star Trader right there. But here we go right here. Space Mountain, folks, right in front of you, will be closing beginning on September the 18th for refurbishment. So I'll give you the exact dates pretty much soon. You'll see it down below in this video. Again, Space Mountain will be closing for refurbishment on September the 18th of this month. With that being said, folks, this concludes your update for the month of September here at the Disneyland Resort. Well, D3 Hackers, this concludes this update for the month of September here at the Disneyland Resort. I hope you enjoyed this episode like I did. Now, I would like to hear from you, D3 Hackers. What was your favorite part of this episode? Was it me checking out the new San Francisco Square, or was it the Halloween decorations? Feel free to leave a comment below. This should be fun. In the meantime, if you guys are still having your Disneyland draws, feel free to check out my channel. I have some fun and amazing Disneyland tips and some fun and amazing Disneyland adventures to help you get your Disney fix. Thanks again for watching, folks. Remember, follow me on all social media platforms. See you guys real soon.